Hi everyone, this is our Indiana project. Our problem is a tank containing 50 gallons of salt water with a salt concentration being 2 pounds per gallon. Salt water with a concentration of 3 pounds per gallon is then poured in the top of the tank at the rate of 3 gallons per minute. And the salt water is at the same time drained from the bottom of the tank at the rate of 3 gallons per minute. We will consider that the water and salt mixture in the tank to be well stirred and all times to have a uniform concentration of salt. Find the function of S of t that gives the amount of salt in the tank as a function of time. Since we begin pouring in salt water at the top and simultaneously drain salt water from the bottom of the tank, how long before there will be 120 pounds of salt in the tank? To further understand the problem, we have here a tank filled with 50 gallons of water with a 2 pounds per gallon of salt and then poured a 3 pounds per gallon in a rate of 3 gallons per minute. And as you can see, it is also simultaneously pouring on the bottom of the tank. Here is the computation part. So summarizing what we have a while ago, we poured the 3 pound per gallon concentration of salt in a rate of 3 gallons per minute in a 50 gallons of water with a concentration of 2 pounds per gallon of salt. At the same time, it is simultaneously flowing at the bottom with a rate of 3 gallons per minute. So we let S equals the total amount of salt, T equals to time per minute, then we are required to find the function of S of t at any time t. Then the function of S of 120 at time it takes when the salt is equal to 120. So here is the solution part. At t equals to 0, S is equals to 50 gallons per 2 pounds per gallon. So it will yield 100 pounds. So in is equals to out, which is equals to the summation of all the solution, which is all ds over dt is equals to 3 pounds per gallon times 3 gallons per minute minus S pounds per 50 gallons times 3 gallons per minute. ds over dt plus S times 3 over 50 equals to 9. So it is linear in S. So we will put it in the linear form, which is ds plus S times 3 over 50 dt equals to 9 dt. IF is, or the integrating factor is e and integral of 3 over 50 dt, which is equals to e to 3 over 50 t. So S times 3t over e to the 50 equals to the integral of 9 times e to the 3 over 50t dt. Then S times e to the 3 over 50t equals to 9 times 50 all over 3 times e to the 3 over 50t plus c e to the negative 3 over 50t. Then S is equal to 150 plus c to the e to the negative 30t. At t equals to 0, S equals to 100. So we substitute 100 equals to 150 plus C. So we will have C equals to negative 50. S is equals to 150 minus 50 e to the 3 over 50t. So that's S of t. When S is equals to 120 pounds, what is t? So we will have 120 equals to 150 minus 50 e to the 3 over 50t minus 30 equals to negative 50 e to the 3 over 50t. So negative 30 over negative 50 equals to e to the 3 over 50t. ln of 3 over 5 equals to 3 over 50t. So ln of 3 over 5 over 3 over 50 is equals to time, which is equals to 8.3157 minutes. So going back to the problem, we now know that when t is equals to 0, s is equals to 100, and when s is equals to 120, t is equals to 8.31 in minutes. So this is the end of the project. Thank you very much for listening.